6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Well, surely there's no way the back marker can run down these other competitors. Is there any chance? Is there any chance? Let's see. Here we are, tree 3. They've completed their first side, as has tree 6. Here's the back marker putting in his top board now. Block 7, block 8 are up the top on the first side. Tree 3 putting in their second board, as is in tree 2. Tree 7, oh, here we go, tree, the back marker, make sure the world champion's down, he's completed the first side. Come on, give them a helping hand here, folks. You see the best in the world here on tree 1, showing his wares. Oh, look at this, tree 3, they're up and racing. Can tree 1 and 2 catch him? Nathan Waterfield's up. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, let's get behind those tree fellas. Mitch Hewitt is now up. Can he catch them? Can he catch them? There's a long way to go. Tree 3's at the finish line. Who's going to come second here? Right, let's bring these last 3 fellas home, can we? Luke Fredrickson on tree 6 there, Daniel Clissold on 7, Garnet Peters on 8.
He's doing it.